Hello everyone, in this video we will finish exercise 2.4 because I am going to solve question number 9 and 10 of exercise 2.4, then I will solve first and second question of exercise 2.5. So we will solve 4 questions in total. Okay, as you know, this exercise is related to linear equation, both this also, but in 2.4 the linear equations are not given. You have to make the equations, then you have to solve, and in this exercise linear equations are given and you have to solve. So ये एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज इसमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स गिवन होती है आपको और उसके बेस पे इक्वेशंस बनानी होगी. करेक्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9 is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Okay, and the questions which are related to ages, these are easier. Okay, more easier than other questions. You have to focus and concentrate at the board. So grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So we write, let age of granddaughter be X. Okay, and age of grandfather be 10x, because 10 times means multiply by 10. times का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई होता है. एंड ही इज ऑल्सो 50 years older than her. Older, if someone is older than other means you have to perform the addition. So to which value you will perform the addition, you have to add some value. कौन सी वैल्यू में आप कुछ ऐड करेंगे, इसमें ऐड करना है कि इसमें ऐड करना है. सो लिसन केयरफुली. You will add, you have to add a value to a smaller value. Okay, always इन दोनों में से जो भी स्मॉलर है उसमें आपको कुछ ऐड करना होगा, तभी वो बिगर वैल्यू के इक्वल होगी. सो रिमेंबर ऑलवेज, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड और मल्टीप्लाई, देन ऐड और मल्टीप्लाई विद द स्मॉलर वैल्यू, एंड इफ यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट और डिवाइड, देन डू इट विद द बिगर वैल्यू. सो according to question, he is also 54 years older. He means grandfather. So grandfather is 54 years older means plus then granddaughter. Okay, so we can transpose the x to left hand side. It becomes 10x minus x equal to 54. 9x equals 54. X equals 54 upon 9 and x equals 6. Now you can declare your result, because the question is about finding their present ages. So you have to write present age of granddaughter equals, that is x, because we assume that the age of granddaughter is x. So जैसे ही आपको x की वैल्यू मिलती है, इट मीन्स ये ग्रैंड की एज होगी. तो x is 6, so it is 6 years, and present age of grandfather equals, that is 10x. So it is 10 into 6 years, that is 60 years. And what about cross checking? So I hope you have practiced about cross checking. See, the age of grandfather is 10 times than the age of granddaughter. ये 66 का 10 times होता है as it is given in the question, and 60 is 54 more than 6 means ये जो 60 है ये 6 से कितना ज्यादा है, 54 है, और यही कंडीशन क्वेश्चन में भी गिवन है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्रॉस चेकिंग you can be sure that the answer is 100% correct. Okay, pause the video and note. Next is 10th question. Okay, it is related to age also. So ये question भी age से related है. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Okay, let son's age be x years. Okay, then Aman's age be, so he is 3 times son's age. 3 times means 3x years, and 10 years ago, ago means before 10 years. 10 years आपको पीछे जाना है, पास्ट में. So before 10 years he was 5 times his son's age. So we write according to question and after, sorry, not after, and 10 years ago. So 10 years ago means, now listen carefully, you have to subtract 10 from each of the ages, because सपोज यू हैव टू फाइंड योर एज बिफोर 10 ईयर्स, तो आपको अपनी एज में से 10 माइनस करना होगा. अगर हम 10 ईयर्स लेटर बात करते हैं तो उसमें आपको अपनी एज में 10 प्लस करना होगा. करेक्ट. सो वी हैव टू मेक इक्वेशन दैट इज बैलेंस्ड, दैट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड. सो 10 ईयर्स अगो द एज ऑफ अमन was 3x minus 10, and 10 years ago the age of son was x minus 10, because before 10 years both they were 10 years younger than now, and you have to balance this. So it is given 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age. He was 5 times his son's age. Balance the equation. 3x minus 10 equals 5x minus 5 10 ja 50. Now collect the terms. 5x minus 3x, and it is 50 minus 10. It is not necessary that the variables should be kept on the right hand side, okay, or on the left hand side. It doesn't matter. आप x की टर्म्स को राइट में भी रख सकते हैं और लेफ्ट में भी रख सकते हैं, because both the sides are equal. So 3x is transposed to right hand side becomes minus 3x, and 50 is transposed to left hand side becomes positive. Now it is 40 equals 2x, x equals 20. Okay, so it is, hence we have to find their present ages. Hence present age of son equals, that is x, means it is 20 years. 20 years, and present age of Aman equals 3x years. 3x means 3 into 20 years, that is 60 years. And you can cross check. See, at present this is 3 times of this. 60 is 3 times of 20, and after before 10 years he was 10 years old and he was 50 years old, so 50 is 5 times of 10. Okay, so we are sure that the answer is correct. Now students, write down, and now I am going to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2.5, and 2.5 is easier than 2.4. So first question of 2.5, we have to solve the equations x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equals x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. X upon 2 1/5, x upon 3 and 1/4. Okay, listen carefully. You have to take the LCM of denominators 2, 5, 3, 4. So think about the biggest number 5. अब आपको 5 की टेबल कंसीडर करनी है, ठीक है। इसकी टेबल में जो भी नंबर आएगा और वो इन सभी की टेबल में आना चाहिए, वही एलसीएम होगा। सो द एलसीएम इज 60 बिकॉज 60 इन सभी से डिविजिबल है। सो एलसीएम विल बी 60. ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. If you find that what is the LCM, then multiply the equation by 60 on both sides. So अगर हम इसको 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Write LCM of 2, 5, 3, 4 equals 60. Now 60 into x upon 2 minus 60 into 1 upon 5 equals 60 into x upon 3 plus 60 into 1 upon 4 means 60 is multiplied by each term. इसको भी 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसको भी करना है, सारी टर्म्स को करना है. नाउ लिसन, 60 upon 2 30, so it is 30x minus it is 12 and it is 20x and it is 15. Okay, now 20x is transposed to left hand side and 12 is transposed to right hand side. It is 10x equal to 27. X is 27 upon 10. So the value of x is 27 upon 10. And this is the answer of 2.5. Question number first. It is exercise 2.5. 27 upon 10. So I check the answer. Okay, now in this way you have to solve, and there is another method. Listen carefully. You can take LCM on this side and LCM on this side. So I will tell you that method in other question, and continue to note the solutions in your fair notebook. Second question is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 equals 21. n upon 2, 3n 4, 5n 6 equals 21. Okay, so the LCM of 2, 4, 6, biggest number 6, think the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, doesn't come in both these tables. 6 2 ja 12, yes, 12 comes in the tables of all these. Now LCM of 2, 4, 6 equals 12. So multiply by 12 on both the sides. 12 into n upon 2 minus 12 into 3n upon 4 plus 12 into 5n upon 6 equal to 12 into 21. Listen, it becomes 6, 6n. It becomes 3, so 3 3 ja 9n. It becomes 2, so it is 10n. And what is the value of 12 into 21? It is 262. Wait, 252. Okay, now solve this. 6 plus 10 16 and 16 minus 9 7n. Okay, equals 252. N is 252 upon 7. Now try to divide. Okay, so we have to check if it is divisible or not. 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21 and 7 6 ja 42. Okay, check it. 6 7 ja 42, 4 carry. Now it is the correct answer. So n equals 36. Okay students, now let's check it. Second question of exercise 2.5. The answer is 36. So in this way you have to solve these linear equations. So I will give you the homework related to these questions from exercise 2.5, and be sincere, study regularly, stay at home and stay fit. Okay, have a nice day.